Okay, I've got these regulated to where I'm not getting any smoke in the shop now. And what I've done is, to do that, is one, I've shortened up this length of this pipe. The unit was way out here before, right there. And I shortened it up right over here, cleaned out the flue, and then ultimately, to get no smoke coming out, you can see this thing's getting red hot, which is probably pretty much at max right now, and it's so hot I can't even stand like 4 foot from it without getting burned. So I've actually had to add fans to blow some of the heat away from it. Otherwise, you can't even be around it. Which these fans are blowing the heat off the stack up into the building, and I've got no insulation in this building. It's all just steel metal. It's 8,000 square foot. And here's my feet here. How much oil I got going in? How much oil I got going in right there. And I've got, you know, the 2 reservoirs, air induction, and then on this one over here, actually let me show you the baffle first on this one. This is what stopped the airflow. So yeah, I made a baffle right there that I put in after I light it. Woo, that sucker's hot. And that's what causes all the exhaust to go up. Look at that sucker. Look at that red. Woo, boy, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. The side of it getting red. Oh, it's hot. I can't even stand it. Now this one here, I baffled also, and I've got just a little bit of smoke coming out, but I've actually dropped my feet down. Still, this actually just started smoking, which is kind of weird. So, and it actually started smoking because I dropped my feet down, my oil. So let me open it up a little bit and see what happens.